Looking for a reliable, fire-rated downlight for your next project? Meet the HALO RLFR by Cooper Lighting Solutions, the only ULC S101 rated direct mount downlight available in Canada. What makes it special? First, safety. Its ceramic fiber insulation withstands temperatures up to over 1800 degrees for 2 hours, meeting British Columbia's rigorous fire-rated construction codes. The RLFR offers versatility too. Available in 4 and 6-inch models in both black and white baffle trim finishes, it installs directly into a fire-rated ceiling from 1/2 inch to 2 inches thick and is perfect for insulated ceiling applications. Plus, with 5 color selectable options from 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin and lumen packages up to 1400 lumens, these downlights give you the ultimate flexibility to tailor your light in any space. For safety, simplicity, and style, the HALO RLFR is the canvas downlight you can trust. Find all the specs in the description below.